buffaloes quietly roam. There lives a man for years, there's not a complete unknown. He was lucky enough when he bought from an old man his new country home. I've been listening to the music it plays. Rock and roll is said to be here to stay. That's what he says. Ramsey Young. Music beyond.